Alrighty guys, I finally found the 124 scale JCB DIGATRON guys at my Target, and this is a beauty compared. The small one's cool, but this one's way better because it has bigger detail. Guys, JCB DIGATRON, there it is. Logo. That's so cool, guys. All I need is Gravedigger and Megalodon, which I might not get, maybe not. Series 25. But yes, I love this DIGATRON. Unboxing time now. Oh, even the feel's nice on this. Okay, guys, so here it is. Look at that, guys. JCB. That is so freaking amazing. Like a dark yellow rims and beadlocks. JCB logo, and this is DIGATRON with a little exhaust back here. JCB right here. Metal, of course. The front says JCB, where the claw is. Monster Jam logo, guys. DIGATRON. Oh my god, this is so cool. There's little steps here, guys. So this is a really nice truck, guys. I recommend you pick this version up, because I think this one's going to be rare in the future, the 124 scale version, and the small one, of course. And this is they make the new paint job. Here's JCB DIGATRON, guys. In-hand review. Pretty nice. Better than the small one. Alright, like, subscribe, comment, share, guys, more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing today.